Hello, Ilana from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday the 5th of May. Let's get started. Now, through the east of the country, we'll see this cold front and trough which has moved through the southeast. That's going to continue through Queensland and New South Wales, bringing some areas of showers and isolated thunderstorms. Further in the southeast, we'll also see a few more showers through Victoria and Tasmania. And elsewhere along these southern coastal areas, we will see a few light isolated showers. However, across the country, we are looking at mostly settled conditions under the influence of this high pressure ridge. We'll even see some areas of morning fog both through the west and the east of the country tomorrow. So let's take a look at each state, and we'll start in Queensland. Through inland parts of the east, we will see some areas of morning fog. Then throughout the day, we'll see a few showers through coastal parts of the southeast and also up towards the north tropical coast. Now, further inland, we have this band of showers that's going to continue, possibly with some isolated thunderstorms through parts of this southern interior area. Now, to the east of this trough, that's where we're still seeing warmer than average conditions for May, and that includes for Brisbane, which will see 28 degrees tomorrow, partly cloudy, and in the morning we may even see a little bit of fog through western parts. Taking a look into New South Wales tomorrow, which is also seeing the influence of this trough and cold front that will continue to bring some showers and isolated storms through northeast parts of New South Wales. It is, however, very different further south, where it's mostly settled. We could even see some areas of morning frost through elevated parts. So it's going to be sunny and dry through both the south and inland parts of New South Wales tomorrow. Sydney will be sunny with a top of 25 degrees and Canberra a little bit cooler with 18. Through Victoria, we have a few showers lingering through the south here and also up towards the ranges with the passage of this little trough here. Now later in the day, those showers will contract further south. With this generally southwesterly flow, we're looking at cool to mild conditions for Victoria tomorrow. Melbourne will see a top of 18 degrees and a possible shower. However, the shower is most likely through eastern parts and up towards the Dandenongs. In Tasmania, we continue to see this westerly flow. That's bringing showers through western parts of the state, with just some isolated spots of showers elsewhere expected. So for Hobart tomorrow, partly cloudy and a top of 18 degrees. Slightly warmer tomorrow for Launceston with a top of 20. South Australia will see a mostly settled day tomorrow. However, we could still see some showers through the agricultural areas and also about the far southern coast through the west. Now, we're really looking at below average temperatures for all of South Australia tomorrow, following the passage of that cold front that came through on the weekend. So Adelaide won't even reach 20 degrees. We're looking at a top of 19 degrees tomorrow for Adelaide, with a possible morning shower in the area. Through Western Australia, again, we are seeing settled conditions. We'll see some inland fog through southern parts, extending from the Southwest Land Division and all the way to the Eucla area. Now, it's those same areas, but along the coast, where we could see some isolated showers throughout the day. Generally though, again, we're looking mostly settled, as we can see under the influence of this high pressure ridge. So it is looking mostly dry and a lot of sunshine through Western Australia tomorrow. That includes for Perth, which will see a sunny day and a top of 23. Now, up in the Territory, there are a few locations which are trying to cling on to a few little showers here or there, even as we make our way into the dry season. So that includes for the eastern Arnhem, possibly up towards the Tiwis, and maybe even a little bit through southern parts of the Barkly. Elsewhere, though, we are looking at a dry day. Once again, it will be hot up top. We have 35 degrees and sunny for Darwin, but it will be cooler down south, 22 degrees tomorrow for Alice Springs. That's all for our national weather forecast. If you'd like some more information, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.